Ah.
Go like this here.
Hey.
What's in there?
I'm just too hungry to
Wait.
eat right away. Oh,
I'm not hungry. We're going to play take ball.
I know you're not. You're opening a present.
What's in there?
What's in there?
Let's see if I can help you. Ah.
There's a big wall.
Yeah.
This is a home bucket. No, doing.
Okay.
This is not a Roomba. It's like somebody.
Oh my goodness. There we go. It's that says to Owen Becker.
Yeah. What do we have here?
What is that all? You got some little cars here?
Oh my gosh, Owen, we're gonna have so much fun with that.
Oh, who is
What's
this?
that?
I don't know.
Oh, there's so much fun stuff in there.
Yeah. There is a lot of
Oh my goodness.
nice stuff.
Here you go. Look at this guy for you.
It's fun. With him. Oh, what's this? And then
Looks like a worker.
get these all out.
Oh, cool.
Cool. Cool. What is this?
Some stickers.
Yeah. Whoa, what's this?
That is a little man.
What's this? This is fun stuff. These are fun stuff.
We'll have to open them all up for you so you can try them out.
Let's try.
Oh, this is a cool one.
Let's get down now first.
Okay.
And then down, and then down, and then let's get.
Here, open it up here.
Okay.
Can you pull that out? Pull it out. Pull that there.
Oh, there's a new scooperator. Want to try all the new things out with me?
Yeah. Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Say danke.
Danke.